for
I
cheese.
love cheese. You give me a wheel of cheese, I will eat that in one day. I could.
Bet.
I honestly could. Yeah, cause like you know, like those like eat all you can buffets.
All those cheese.
But
Even
and
the
they have like cheese bar, like they have a cheese station.
mm-mm.
You will find me there. The last time I went to like an all you can eat buffet, it was super like sorted yung mga foods nila. It was really big, fancy buffet. And then I went to the cheese station. They had like a block of cheese. They sliced the block of cheese into like slices, like a cake slice,
Mm-mm.
like the size of a cake slice. I got slices of cheese. They were serving cubes because they cut the slice of cheese into cubes, like small cubes. I didn't go for the cubes. I went for the slice, and everyone was looking at me. They were like serving, and like everyone was getting the cubes of cheese. I went for the slice. I was like, "Kuhaan na ka ni kuya ha?" And I just got the slice of cheese. And they just looked at me like, "What?" I trust me, I can finish this. I went for more. I ate like three slices. Slices, huh? That's a cake slice of cheese. I went for three, and they were all like the people there working were just like, "What is wrong with this person?" Yeah, I'm a rat. Honestly, actually in our house, my mom hides the cheese, the Eden cheese. That cheese, it's gone. If I see it, it's gone.
You have the same problem with my kuya. He's a cheese addict.
I'm so many addicted.
Di na bumibili si mama ng cheese on the day na siya mag-buy.
Yes, exactly. That's what my mom does too. Especially if my mom buys. I remember. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad because my mom bought like a block of mozzarella. Cause like we were
Mozzarella?
going to save. Yeah,
The
mozzarella,
only cheese
and we
I
were going.
accept.
Yeah, and it's like it's really mahal. It's super expensive,
Wait, how did you
and
eat
we.
it?
I just ate it. Like
Mozzarella
I
is
took
like,
like
di ba
I cut it.
mozzarella is like a rubber if di mo niluto?
Yeah, yeah,
Then
and
you
I
eat
love
the
it.
rubber mozzarella cheese?
Yeah, yes,
Oh my god, you're
without
rare.
heating it or melting it. Yeah, I just eat it. Girl, you don't understand. Like my mom, she was saving it to make lasagna, right?
Oh, that's
For like a
good.
party. And then when the next day she found that the block of cheese was already only half na lang. And then she was like, "Okay, Kat, I know you like cheese." I was like, "I'm sorry. It's so yummy." Honestly, that's why my Christmas gift, I don't have Christmas gifts anymore. Ever since like it's been like ilang years na. I haven't received a Christmas gift anymore. You know what I receive?
Cheese.
I received queso de bola. That's my Christmas gift.
Well,
That's
at
my
least you're
Christmas gift.
happy.
Every Christmas gift. Yeah. And
Do you
like
eat
I
the
don't
wax
let
of
any
the
no, I don't eat the wax. You crazy. But I always have a queso de bola. Ever since like when I turned like my 20s now, I don't have Christmas gifts, but I do have a queso de bola all to myself. Usually people would use the queso de bola for the food and stuff, but no, that's for me. That's mine. That's for me because like queso de bola is my snack. So what I do in Christmas morning is like once tapos na yung Noche Buena, right? You're so
Mm.
full from Noche Buena. In the morning, that would be my snack. I would like open the like it would be like my Christmas gift. Like I would open the queso de bola and then I would just like start like chipping on it with my little cheese. I have a cheese knife, so I have like
I don't like cheese as itself. I want the cheese to be with something. Parang burger sandwich.
What? You know why I love cheese? It's because not all cheese is the same.
Blue cheese.
I've tried blue cheese only like twice, I think, and it tastes good. It smells bad, but it tastes good. It's like eating durian, just like close my nose and eat it, but it tastes so good. It ta- like I like the nuttiness, like the you can taste like there's like some sort of like nutty flavor of like queso de bola, and then like mozzarella is like very slick and it tastes so Good, I want cheese now.
Walang queso dito, gusto mo?
Yes, gusto ko queso.
Queso, pangalan ng brand yun, hindi actual na queso.
Oh, you know the queso, the cheese queso, the brand?
Yeah.
Okay, if I have a ranking.
Don't melt.
Quick Melt is good, but it
It's
tastes a
me.
little bit. It's not the best. But you know what cheese I really don't like? Dane. Dane's is kind of weird. Queso is okay, but it's kind of like above the ranking of Dane. Dane's is so bad. They try to be fresh, but it's not fresh, and none of these are fresh because they're all processed. I understand, but like, anyway, I love cheese.
Kulang na lang Ate
When I
Pao,
was
kainin mo na yung ketchup.
Yeah, actually, I was going to talk about my life with ketchup. So when I was a child, I didn't really like eating like the sudan. I don't know what sudan. Bayan is that in Tagalog?
It's like the
The ulam. You know, I don't like eating the ulam. And whenever I had like baon in for lunch when I was a kid, this was in Cambodia. My mom would like would like make me bring lunch and have ulam and rice.
Mm.
And the thing is I would not eat ulam. I don't know why. I would just eat the rice and I would have like packets of ketchup from like different restaurants that we would go to. Even like packets of ketchup and like my mom would like put that in my lunchbox. And like I would just eat ketchup and rice every single day. My ulam, I would just give it to my friends. And then one day I didn't get to trade with my friends, and then my mom found out that I wasn't eating any of my ulam. My mom got mad at me. But I don't like food. I just like ketchup and rice. All I would eat. I don't know that I just really have a bad diet.
yes, you do.
I'm not picky. I really am not picky. There are just certain things that I would like to eat. That yeah, I would still eat them, but it's like I just you know.
There's three things in Ate Pao's diet. Cheese, Milo, and ice. Very
Yeah,
nice.
I'm not surprised why I always get acid reflux now.
Or
I don't.
it was you. It was your fault all along.
I do this to myself. I don't. So I'm not surprised. Yeah, it's so unhealthy. I'm really an unhealthy person, honestly. Like I should eat more good things.